What a lovely day. Ooh. So lovely to be back out on the bike again. He's cleaning up, that's good. Love a bit of Westminster clean streets, don't we? Anyway, this is Ladbroke Grove. So Notting Hill Carnival, this is one of the main routes. He didn't look, did he? Nice one, thank you. So what happens is you see that road in front? That's called the Westway, or it's the A40. So as soon as you cross that, it then starts going nice and posh. Well, not nice, but well, it goes posh. It goes into Notting Hill, effectively. In fact, Portobello Market is just through there normally. And now we're into Notting Hill. Lovely bright, well, winter's morning, definitely not spring. It's a weird little thing, Carver. Yeah, it's rather nice crescents and nice roads now. Actually, we could go down one, couldn't we? Let's go down one. Let's see what they're about. Ooh, yeah. Classic Notting Hill. So we go here quite often. Take Zubair out on a Sunday morning. It's classic Holland Park. I like these structures, these cast iron, it's like porch structures, but yeah, really nice. That one needs a clean. Michael Powell, film director, lived here. Okay, but this house here with the big sort of turret is Jimmy Page's house. It's not very Christmassy, it's got no decorations. And then this one next to it, and where they're really annoyed with each other, is Robbie Williams's house. Again, no Christmas decorations. They're a bit miserable, aren't they? Right, there you go. So this is Kensington High Street. That's the entrance to Holland Park as well. That's Banham Security. I do need to go a lot from there. Okay. It's not normally this quiet. It's quite nice to see it like this. Alright, Mr. Merck, just nice thing about riding in the city is that despite it being really cold winter day, a lot of the tarmac is dry, so it's not got that horrible greasy surface, so you've got good grip and some confidence in the road. is the Albert Memorial, and then on the right, we all know, is the Royal Albert Hall, which is a rather lovely building. It's good to see a concert in there. There's the Albert Memorial. Now down there on the right is the Royal Academy of Music. This is Imperial College, London, the South Kensington campus. It's a big campus. And here on the right is the start of the Science Museum. That's the Mormon Church. And so that's the Science Museum, and then here is where I'm going to be working, the Victoria and Albert Museum. This is the start of it. I mean, it's huge. The gates are closed. And what I'm going to do here is turn left, and you'll then see the entrance, the V&A. So here is the V&A. That's where I'm going to be working. I can't wait. Look at those massive doors. Yeah, look at that, Christian Dior. They've obviously, that's the flavour this year. Oh, it's full on Christian Dior, isn't it? Dior, Dior, Dior. I like that because it's like a compass of the world. That's very GS. Hyde Park on the left. Right, hold your breath, Zubair. I reckon every parent and their kids play that game around the world. Come to a tunnel, hold your breath. You couldn't in the Alps though, because they're massively long. So this on the right now is Green Park, opposite Buckingham Palace. Oh, I see they've... Oh, we'll go this way instead, into the theatre district. Now we're into Soho. See these lanterns? That's Chinatown. This is Shaftesbury Avenue. Ooh. Yeah, and this is then Seven Dials. Which is really nice at night. right in the heart of Soho near this Tilda musical that's been running for ages. Go down towards the river. It's frozen. There's Covent Garden there on the right. We'll get onto the Strand here. The Savoy. Yeah, I think I'll go right. We'll go back onto Trafalgar Square. Six, the musical. See, is it open or closed? Yeah, it's open, I think. We'll find out in a minute. Oh no, the mall's closed, obviously, yeah. Changing of the guards. Yeah, so every day at 11 the guards change and you get this spectacle. Lots of tourists. Police saying hello. Now this park, oh god, what's it called? St James's. That's got pelicans in it, which I need to show you at some point. Right, look what's up ahead. When I did my Euro tour, I remember going past here, Buckingham Palace. The weather was like this, but about 20 degrees warmer, and much earlier. It's sort of like 6:30. So what we'll do, we'll go up here and then we'll go left onto the embankment. Here's also like the new Scotland Yard, and then this is, I think this is the Air Force. But yeah, it's sort of like government military buildings. I mean, yeah, I love that statue. Like the winged aviator. Something very cool about aviators. I think it's that sense of adventure in the old days. What we'll do, and then that goes on to Whitehall, but what we'll do is go left, and that hooks us back into Trafalgar anyway, and then we'll head home. And there's my little tour of the West End. So yeah, that's Whitehall, so that's the Home Office, government offices again, so all these are government offices. I'll go down there. This is the beauty of the motorbike. Whoa. Okay. another angle of Trafalgar Square. What we're going to do is go straight on, and then we'll be able to go home, head home, the home direction, which is over there. So on the left is a mall actually that we're just running parallel with. I do a lot of shooting around here, programs. The RAC, I think that is the Automobile Club. There's the Ritz. Okay, excellent. Now I know where I am. Box Junction. We'll get on to back towards Notting Hill. We're going there, Kilburn. Nice and tight, but we're through. We'll go down Park Lane now.